right here. We'll see how Jerry gets along. Build the power up. Here we go. And he is ready to go. Watch it very carefully. It will go, and now it comes on high. A smoker once again off the line. He got it.
As he gets the Little Rascal IH 1066, third place points right now. Builds the boost, lots of power to come up, and here comes the man from Shelbyville, Indiana. We're going to build the boost right here. Lost all power right there with a white smoke. Rod Main looks at him as he pulls back on the throttle.
Wound up. Frank Peterson, Wisconsin. This thing moves up, and here he comes. Not going to be able to see too much as he tries to build that boost, build that fire. Underneath the hood of that, here we go. Now we're getting a good color change. Tom Dickerson. And he's up. Underneath the main grandstand. Build the boost, let's fire up the hot iron.
Now I pull back, you'll notice he put his hands up in the air right away. Ladies and gentlemen, leads the nation in points right here. Gonna put it all on the line. The workhorse, building it up slow. Power coming at you during the Canfield power pull.
From Rod Main, very slow on the build on the boost underneath 21. Takes a little bit of time to get it up, get that fire lit without putting so much water in to put the fire out. There's a very fine line that you have to ride here as we start down through there. Very slowly underneath 21, you have to bring it up. He backs off once again, very slow. Listen to the engine RPM. You can hear it. He's watching the exhaust as well. That is definitive to him on how much power he can pour to it. Slow start off the line, but watch out now.
John Deere line to be proud. He knows his way to victory lane. Let's see if he can get by 300 feet and get into our full club. John Deere fans, you better help him out. Back out, relevant bar, missed a couple of events down in points, but long on Spirit. Let's see what he can do right here. Lots of fluid coming out from the Belt immediately gets off the throttle right there. Immediately gets off the throttle.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what happens to it. Eric's going to through that.
Whoa! That scared me. I'm like, whoa.
Watch this tractor get up and go second in points right now. And the Hawk would like to put down a good pass. Building the boost right here. 6 out the end. We'll see if we can. Nope, not going to happen. Now Morrissey just saying, come on now. No patience this time. Here comes the Hawk. One time. Access the double trouble. Double boost and let her go. John Deere tractor, the best of luck. Neil, get it your first night out of the Grand National Series. John Deere fans, let's hear it. Motion Center Virgin Club know what the air dates will be for this Canfield show on ESPN's Channel with Power. Kevin Nampa, the Firefox. That's going to be it. There's definitely a problem. They made some changes on it. Radio House, you start. John Ricky 1-1. Building the power alcohol on his tractor. Weights are loose. That's an automatic DQ. We'll have to wait and see from trackside. Maybe watch this guy. Destination 308. Right now, locked in, concentration, watches the dials, glances up, watches white, turn gray to black, lets clutch down, here he comes, front end to pop up, it's going to start the battle.
Down before we move the pull off, we're looking at Jody Ross, Waynesburg, Pennsylvania International, 1066, great job. The gray is Smoker Black, walks it up the line, and here he comes. So, not quite. Watch the exhaust. He is, as well as the gauges. He's got a lot to watch. And there we go, yeah! We're pretty loose. This is great. Fingers to the only way out of the smoking garage. Big job. Chargers start to spin. Higher and higher RPMs are up. Leads the line. Here it comes for 20 Mulesy. Inches. Go further. You'll be first place. Maybe at the end of the event, or maybe for just a short time. Here comes Ronnie Russell. Can he do it? That's the question. Out of Columbia, Iowa, he comes. He gets the boost built up. Person loose off the line. Here we go. Back to the air. That means there's set and ready. Mark over. First at 71.30. Takes IH loose, 436 cubes. Here he comes.